Good morning, students. We are learning a Thai story, that is Princess September. Till now we have learned that Princess September received a parrot on her father's birthday, means the king's birthday. She received, means all the sisters received a parrot in a golden cage. But one day when she woke up, she found that it was lying dead in the cage. She cried a lot, बहुत रोई, and the queen did not care much. उसने भी queen ने कहा ठीक है जाने दो, रोने दो. If she doesn't eat, let her go. कोई बात नहीं, नहीं खाएगी खाना, fine. So suddenly, when she woke up one morning, she saw a bird sitting at her window. So come to page number 36. Okay? And I hope you have got and understood what has been taught to you. Now, in second paragraph, when she awoke next day, the little bird was still there, and she opened her eyes and he said, "Good morning." The maids of honor brought in her breakfast, and he ate rice out of her hand, and he had his bath in her saucer. He began to sing again so beautifully that maids of honor were quite surprised, for they had never heard anything like that, and Princess September was very proud and happy. Though her parrot was died, but the new bird was singing in a so melodious voice that she became very happy. She felt quite proud of it, and maids of honor were quite surprised to hear such a beautiful song. He had eaten rice out of her hand, means princess's hands. Now I want to show you to my 8 sisters, said the princess. Princess ने parents को कहा bird को कि चलो मैं तुम्हें अपनी sisters को दिखाकर लाती हूँ. She stretched out the first finger of her right hand so that it served as a perch, and the little bird flew down and sat on it. Then, followed by her maids of honor, she went through the palace and called on each of the princesses. And for each of them, the little bird called on each of the princesses. And for each of them, the little bird sang a different song. Just think. But the parrots could only say, "God save the king," and "Pretty Polly." At last, she showed the little bird to the king and the queen. They were surprised and delighted. So, the bird had very melodious voice, and the Princess September asked him to be with her, and that she wanted to show her to the other sisters of hers. Then she stretched out her first finger of right hand, अपने सीधे हाथ की first finger stretch out की, बाहर आगे की, and served as the perch. Perch means bird के बैठने की जगह. So a place where a bird can sit. ब्रांच कह सकते हैं, जब पेड़ों पर तो ब्रांचेस होती है, but at that place they did not have branches, so her finger acted as the branch, means for the perch. Then she went to the other princesses and They were very surprised. When she reached to the king and the queen, they were also very happy. They were also surprised to hear such a melodious voice of the bird. And the parents of those other princesses could say only two words: God save the king and Pretty Polly. They could speak only two phrases, and this bird of the princess sang different songs for all the other sisters of the Princess September. Okay, Princess September की बाकी सारी बहनों के लिए भी उसने अलग अलग सॉन्ग गाया, but the other sisters' parents could say only two words. Those were, what were those words? Pretty Polly and God save the king. And therefore, king and queen were very surprised and delighted to see such a bird. And you can think that that bird sang 8 different songs for 8 different sisters. Just think. I knew I was right to send you to bed without any supper, said the queen. Queen बोली कि हाँ, मुझे पता था, मैंने तुम्हें अच्छा हुआ तुम्हें खाना नहीं खाने दिया और तुम्हें सोने के लिए कह दिया. This bird sings much better than the parrots. King also said that bird sang more beautifully than the other birds. I should have thought you got quite tired of hearing people say God save the king, said the queen. I can't think why those girls wanted to teach their parents to say it too. Now the queen said, queen बोली कि मैं भी ये सोचती हूँ कि तुम भी तो मीन्स किंग कि आप भी तो थक गए होगे ये सुन के. मीन्स गॉड सेव द किंग मीन्स दोज अदर पेरेंट्स वर्ड्स जो दूसरे पेरेंट्स बोल रहे थे कि गॉड सेव द किंग, प्रेटी पोली, आप भी सुन कर ये थक गए होगे. मीन्स यू माइट हैव ऑल्सो गॉट बोर्ड एंड देयरफॉर आई थिंक दैट दोज अदर गर्ल्स शुड ऑल्सो टीच देयर पेरेंट्स टू से इट टू. उन्हें भी अपने पेरेंट्स को सिंगिंग सिखानी चाहिए. द सेंटिमेंट इज एडमायरेबल, सेड द किंग, and I never mind how often I hear it, but I do get tired of hearing those parents say Pretty Polly. King ने कहा हाँ तुम्हारी भी बात सही है. The sentiment is admirable. तुम जो कह रहे हो वो भी ठीक है, तुम्हारी भावनाएं भी अच्छी है, लेकिन ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. वो बोल रहे हैं I never mind how often I hear it. मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि ये कितनी बार ये बोलते हैं या मैं सुनता हूँ, but I also get tired of hearing those parents say Pretty Polly. अब मैं भी थक चुका हूँ, मैं भी बोर हो गया हूँ कि ये बर्ड्स, ये पैरट्स केवल Pretty Polly ही बोल पाते. They say it in 7 different languages, said the princesses. Then the princesses said that our parrots could speak these words into 7 different languages. I dare say they do, said the king, but it reminds me too much of my counselors. They say the same thing in 7 different ways, and never it means anything in any way they say it. What was said by the king? King ने बोला हाँ मैं मानता हूँ कि वो बोलते हैं. Parrots say the same thing in 7 different languages. It matters. सही बात है ये, बट इट रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ माई काउंसलर्स. इससे मुझे अपने काउंसलर्स याद आ जाते हैं. काउंसलर्स मीन्स दोज हु आर मेंबर्स ऑफ काउंसलर्स. मीन्स दोज हु आर द मेंबर ऑफ काउंसिल. Members of council. Means administrative members of a king. So therefore it is written counselors, and C as capital. So he said that his ministers, his counselors also speak the same thing in 7 different ways. एक ही बात को बार बार वो लोग भी तो बोलते हैं, and it never means anything in any way they say it. और जो कुछ वो बोलते हैं उसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं होता. Okay? Now come to page number 27. The princesses were vexed at this, and the parrots looked very glum indeed. But Princess September ran through all the rooms of the palace, singing like a lark, while the little bird flew round and round her, singing like a nightingale. Think. Other princesses were vexed. Vexed means distressed. बड़ी दुखी हो गई. Sad. When the king said it, other princesses become quite sad. दुखी हो गई. Then the princess means Princess September. She ran through all the rooms of the palace. पूरे पैलेस में दौड़ गई वो और singing like a lark. Lark is a very joyful bird. और lark bird की तरह से गाने लगी. And at the same time, her little bird also flew round and round her, singing like a nightingale. और उसका अपनी बर्ड भी चारों तरफ उड़ने लगी जैसे कि कोई नाइटिंगेल. नाइटिंगेल की आवाज़ बड़ी सुरीली मानी जाती है. Things went on, okay? Things went on like this for several days, and then the 8 sisters, means 8 princesses, put their heads together. They went to September and sat down in a circle round her. My poor September, they said, we are sorry for the death of your beautiful parent. It must be dreadful for you not to have a bird like we have. So we have all put our pocket money together and we are going to buy you a lovely green and yellow parrot. So these other sisters of Princess September, they put their head together. Put their head together का मतलब होता है discussing together, बातें करना, discuss करना किसी matter पर. So all these sisters of Princess September talked about the matter of Princess September's parrot. Okay? Princess September के parrot के बारे में आपस में बातें की. Then they reached to Princess September. They said, देखो तुम अपने पैरट की डेथ पर बड़ी दुखी हो, we know, and we have collected our pocket money together and we are going to buy a lovely green parrot in place of that parrot once again. Okay? Thank you for nothing, said Princess September. I have a pet bird which sings the most charming song to me, and I don't know what on earth I should do with the green and yellow parrot. So Princess September replied that I don't need any other bird. I have a bird of my own now, and now I don't need any green or yellow parrot. So she said that I am satisfied with the parrot, with the bird I have with me. Okay? With the bird that I have with me, I am satisfied with that and I don't need any other parrot. And thank you for your suggestion. Well, my dear, they said, it's absurd to talk of your bird about the little fellow flies in and out just as he likes. They looked around the room and raised their eyebrows. And they all together said, सब बोली एक साथ, कि कितनी एब्सर्ड बात है ये, मीन्स यूजलेस। दे सेड, ठीक है बेट माय डियर, वेल माय डियर, it is no use to talk of your bird when this little fellow flies in and out just like he likes. इसकी इच्छा होती है तभी अंदर आता है, बाहर चला जाता है. He doesn't care for anyone. अब उन्होंने चारों तरफ रूम में देखा and they raised their eyebrows. Means in a surprising way. जब हम eyebrows अपन raise करते हैं like this way. So it is, sometimes it means a question, sometimes it means a surprise, means facial expressions count a lot, isn't it? जब कभी हम बहुत हैरान होते हैं तब भी आईब्रोज ऊपर करते हैं, कभी हम कुछ इंक्विजिटिव होते हैं तब भी हम कुछ पूछते हैं तब भी आईब्रोज हमारी रेज होती है. तो वो भी आईब्रोज उन्होंने ऊपर किए सारे सिस्टर्स ने, अदर प्रिंसेसेस, एंड दे सेड दैट दिस बर्ड मूव्स in and out in your room whenever he likes. So, do you mind our asking where your bird is now? They said. उन्होंने पूछा कि क्या तुम्हें नहीं लग रहा है कि तुम्हारा बर्ड अभी कहाँ है? Let us know. Where is your bird? He has gone out to pay a visit to his father-in-law, said Princess September. Princess September said that he has gone to have a visit to his father-in-law. And what makes you think he will come back? Asked the princesses. Other princesses asked the Princess September that do you think he will really come back? उन्होंने कहा कि पूछा उसको कि क्या तुम्हें लगता है वो बर्ड वापस आएगा? Well, my dear, said eight princesses, if you will take our advice, you won't run any risk like that. If he comes back, mind you. If he does, you will be lucky. Pop him into the cage and keep him there. That's the only way you can be sure of him. When Princess replied that he will definitely come, Princess September said that he would definitely come back. Then other 8 princesses said that no, you must take care of our advice. If he doesn't come, if he comes, it's well and good, but if he doesn't come, what you would do? And if he comes, just keep him into a cage for the safety. And this is the only way you can be sure of him. But I like to have him fly about the room, said the young Princess September. She said that I want to keep him free so that he can fly about in and out whenever and wherever he wants. Safety first. सारी सिस्टर्स बोली अरे सेफ्टी ज़रूरी है. They got up and walked out of the room, shaking their heads, and they left Princess September very uneasy. So all of them got up and they went out of the room. They shook their head and left Princess September quite in an uneasy mood. Okay? So you have to understand and read the lesson, have a loud reading of the lesson. Okay?